friends, and happy Diwali. It's me again, Arjun, and I am in the next video to show every monster in the Roblox game called Lethal Lip, and it has written lost in brackets. So the monster, there is that monster. If you know that blue type monster having rocks on shoulders, it is called Lost. He's called Lost. So he has got a new design like this purple type, and this is everything. And if you want to play Roblox with me, so this is my username and friend me. Yes, friends. So let's just play. Yes, it will take a while, so don't waste time on this. Oh, it's so bit fast. So this is that Lethal Lip. If you like this game is like right, so try it. Yes, please help me. Please friends help me reach 1,000 subscribers for now. Then like the video. Or your friends will come at your home. So this is so I'm coming here. So this is the every monster. So them explain them. So you know who are Indian, so I'll explain it in Hindi and everything. So these monsters are of forest category. First, let's go with normal category, like which I was talking about right now. Like this. So मैं आपको बताता हूँ फ्रेंड्स, तो ये कैसा ऐसा है कि था कि हुआ था फेवरेट चीज और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज इसका ये माइनर हेड है। अभी क्योंकि ये नहीं देख पाया फिर इसलिए और सिर्फ नेक्स्ट है लॉस्ट। पहले इसका ब्लू टाइप था, अब देखो ब्लैक स्wan है। So friends, Lost की स्टोरी क्या है? I'm explaining it now in Hindi. So Lost, इसके जो पेरेंट्स थे, Lost के पेरेंट्स, उन्होंने इसको अबैंडन कर दिया था, छोड़ दिया था, अकेले छोड़ दिया था एक गलियों के बीच में। तो फिर ऊपर गाड़ी चली गई थी लिटरली, पर लकीली ये इसने सरवाइव कर लिया। तो जब किसी साइंटिस्ट ने ऐसा देखा तो फिर उसे लेबोरेटरी में लेके गए थे एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए। सो देन लॉस्ट हील तो हो गया था कंप्लीटली, पर उसको रिवेंज चाहिए था, बदला चाहिए था अपने पेरेंट्स पर। तो उसको कोई भी अपीयरेंस नहीं पता थी किसी की, उसके मम्मी पापा कैसे दिखते थे उसे कुछ भी नहीं पता था, मेमोरी तो भी उसके सामने होता है तो उसको मार देता है। एक बस उस साइंटिस्ट को छोड़कर जिससे हेल्प की थी उसको नहीं मारता। तो अब इधर उधर घूम रहा क्योंकि आई डोंट नीड टू सी दैट मच। दिस इज उसके पास भी सेम स्पीड है, इट हैज आल्सो द सेम स्पीड। Now we go up there. It is that yes, if you see him, stay as quiet as like you do. He has 43 speed. He's a bit faster, so be careful because he wants. I don't know his story. I don't know his story that much, and his story is not told yet. So I can't speak like that fast. So don't wonder that why I talk like that. So I think he was attacked in an accident. So he was survived. He sacrificed his eyes, I think. So he became blind. So that is why stay still. मतलब गस शायद अटैक हुआ था तो फिर एक बार उसने अपने आईज को शायद सैक्रिफाइस किया था। सरवाइव तो वो बच तो गया, पर उसे दिखता नहीं है, पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से सुनता है। अगर आप चली भी जाओ, अगर वो आपको देख भी ना ले, अगर पास हो पर देख ना ले तो भी फिर वो आपको पकड़ सकता है बहुत जल्दी से। Fast, he is very fast. Now we go to backroom section, where the backrooms area. It's a bit glitzy. The monster is here, bro. It's DUS does. So he can't see very well. He's not blind, but he can't see very well because it has a 40 speed. It is slightly slower than the Lost and Booba, those two brothers. They have 40.5. It has, so it's a bit slow. Don't worry, and I'll now explain in Hindi क्योंकि ये डस है तो ये अच्छे से इसलिए नहीं देख सकता बिकॉज ये 40 मीटर होल में गिर गया था तो उसके आंखों में डैमेज हो गया था, शायद ज़्यादा सीवियर डैमेज पर नहीं देख सकता है। अगर वो आपको देखता है तो वो आपके पास थोड़ा धीरे धीरे से आ जाता है, फिर जब उसे पता चल जाता है कि आप मंकी हो तो वो भागने लग जाता है। तो ये है QS, मेरा टॉपिक वाला आदमी। It has no explanation. See like that. And now we come to the forest section. So see that there are only 3 monsters. I haven't explored the forest and caves. Why it's so hard to find these 2 areas. See, first I will explain the forest one, but there isn't much to explain. See, this is Billy. Yeah, it has 41 speed, slightly faster than the Lost and Booba, those 2 brothers again. But he is a bit faster. So it has also minor head. I don't know. And this is question mark. It means they don't know the name of the monster. Most of the people don't know. I think no one knows his name. This monster. It is just saying, do you remember me? And this is Ethan. Yes, he is also very famous. And we don't know about him much because I think he underwent experiments involving meat. I think the scientist, a mad scientist, experimented him like that. So, but they didn't test it. It has 40.5. What does that mean? It has the same speed. So that means same speed. Now we come to the cave section. There are only 2 monsters. They have nothing about them much. See that? Like he's a sorry, very big. Very big. They are these two are very big, bigger than these friends. So they are very dangerous, I think. He's saying I don't know ITK. It means we don't know the origin story of him or anything about him. And this is so there are nothing about them, these cave monsters. I told the story of this meat man, but they didn't told because the developers didn't know that. So this is for section. Now we come to game modes, events, monsters. It is from My Little Lakes. Most of them are from Little Lake. Like these three are from Little Lake. My Little Lake. It is their game. The developers have made a game called My Little Lakes. It was their own Little Lake, own version of Little Lake there. But it doesn't now exist anymore. It doesn't exist anymore. So let's still explain this. This was, I think, a game mode or event monster. Yes, event or game mode monster. Yes, friends. So see that. Oh, so it is not a Roblox game. Their game was a VR game. My Little Lake. I think he was taken on. All are from event. I think they are from Little Lake. My Little Lakes, all except this one. This is originally exist tiny. Fred, फ्रेड के बारे में क्या बता रहे कि ये कहाँ से मतलब ये माय लिटिल लेक गेम से निकाल के यहाँ पे डाला था, तो फिर अब ये गेम एग्जिस्ट करता है। इसकी स्पीड मुझे पता नहीं कौन सी फास्ट होती है, पर इट हैज अ स्पीड ऑफ 41.5. I just saw that, and this is I think unknown. Is it the name of this monster or they don't know the name of this monster? They are saying that this game no longer exists. He is a bit slow because he has the speed of 39. It is saying unknown as, I think unknown may be a name of this monster, and this is ghost. It has just those footsteps sounds, nothing. It doesn't attack you, just wanders around the lab looking for something. So ये क्या करता है, ये आपको अटैक नहीं करता, मारता नहीं, ये बस ऐसी लैब आसपास घूमता रहता है, कुछ चीज के लिए देखता है। वो ये भी फिर ओल्ड गेम से माय लिटिल लेक, तो ये दोनों भी लिटिल लेक से, पर he is also from his old game. I didn't know that. Sorry friends, but these all four are from Little Lake. My Little Lake game, I mean. So this is called Big Guy. I don't know about him. I have nothing to say about him. He came from his old game. He has 40 speed. He also came from My Little Lake. So it has 40 speed. Yes. So इसके पास 40 स्पीड है, इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं है, तो ये बस पुराने गेम से है। So that's all and every monster in the Roblox game Little Lake. So bye.